Hi guys. Good evening. He's coming. Good evening guys. So today is Friday, July 21st, 2023. And welcome back to the channel. My name is Barbara Omodudu. I film about family, career, lifestyle from Lagos, from Edmonton, Alberta. So today we're stepping out with the kids. Look at them here. We're all dressed in our Man U jersey.
And we're going to the party. And we're going to the party.
So it's a kind of gathering that mimics Calgary Stampede, and we're going with the kids and our friends. So you guys will come along with us while we go. Outfit check. If you guys can see me. Can you see me? Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Hello guys. So the entire family is clad in our jersey. It's a Man U jersey customized with our names at the back. And right now we're heading to our friend's place where we're going to meet up and take the ride from there. Baby, say hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Hi guys.
All right. So yeah. So what's it like? It's Kdays, and then we got all day admission ride tickets. If that makes sense. Yeah. So we can do any of the rides we want to do. All of that good stuff, and I'm pretty excited about it. Today is Friday evening, so it's pretty chilled. It ends at 12 midnight for today. It ends at 12 midnight, and there will be fireworks from what I hear. And I look forward to all of that good stuff. What else is happening? Yeah, a lot to eat and drink, and many rides as well. Babes, is your wallet full? It better be full. Give me that bombastic side eye. So yes, as in I emptied my tummy for this thing, so you better be worth it. Alright guys, so I'll catch up with you guys much later. We just got here guys. So here are the crew. Hi Ruby. Look at me now. Ruby baby. Guys, so welcome to Kdays. So we're here guys. We're here at Kdays with the crew. Look at them in front. I'm obviously their cameraman and woman today.
Charlie and Barbie.
Ruby, have you gotten yours? Let me see. Woo! 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 Nice. Right, let me see yours as well. Yay! Okay. Guys, I'm not even sure you guys can hear me. This place is so full. Like so full. I'm sure I'm going to lose like 10 kg after this walk. Just look at this madness. What in the world is this? Like okay. Alice, come out. You guys going?
Yeah, we don't go with her.
The remaining three, but these two they be. No way in the world I'm doing this type of shit, man. see, guys, see. See them, guys. Here we go.
Mommy, I want to try that again. Mommy.
So far, like this whole place, this is crazy house.
You know the stage, not a light stage, where they want to performance.
Hey, look here, Ruby, look here. Yay, Ruby, look here. I must say hello. Oh, that was so much fun and scary, guys. Like this. Sweet. Wow. Oh.
Make sure you got your very
By size. Right. Leave it in there.
all together. All 7.
No, no. This two separately.
I have to wait for her to.
How is it? Is it nice? So we're still here. This is 11:15 p.m. and things are still happening here. You guys see? Come, come, come. So we be in front. Keep going, keep going. Don't pick it up, that's dirty.
Wherever you want, my guy, wherever you want. Yes, go here, 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 and here, okay guys, get ready, get ready. There we go. So you got 2 over here, 5, 6, 8, and 9, okay? Okay guys, get ready, get ready. Get 3. Get 3. Focus, focus, my guys, get 3. Okay, okay. Damn, my guy, you're letting it over here, man. There you go, here, here. So we're gonna be number 8. Number 8 over here is the prize. Number 8 is the prize over there. What about you, man? You lost, my guy. Why you want me to say it to you, man? Come on. You get any squishmallow on the middle or below. You wanna play again? We're gonna play again? Let's do it right now. Think about it.
I thought I could fix you, overlooking all of my issues. But all that I got left with you is pain. I think it's time that I should call it by its name. I'm almost happy tonight. Gotta wish that I could have the time of my life. Like, oh, I say I'm doing alright. So tell me how to figure it out.
Janet! On a Saturday night.
On Saturday night, making my way downtown, walking fast.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, so welcome to the end of this video. We just got back few minutes ago. It's about 12:25 a.m. Already the next day. We had fun at Kdays and the kids had fun as well. We just got back home, put the kids to bed, and we're about to sleep. So guys, thank you so much for coming with us. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Edmonton's mimic of the popular Calgary Stampede, and it's been a fun time with our friends. So until I come your way next time, guys, enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.